Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Last night in President Biden's State of the Union message, he said he would like to throw at least $2 trillion on infrastructure, and a portion of that he would like to dedicate to building charging stations, over 500,000 of them, around the country to create the infrastructure for electric vehicles. Quite frankly, I'm still driving my older Suburban, and it's a gas guzzler, so I'm not familiar with the electric vehicle. But apparently, ChargePoint is a leader in charging stations. And you can do this and pay for it by your cell phone. Apparently, they're not that hard to set up. Just have to have the electric cables and stuff. But these are not that hard to put in place. ChargePoint is supposed to be the leader, so I thought I would investigate the company a little bit and try to understand it, and then maybe do a comparison with its competitors like Blink and CLII. ChargePoint is currently not in my holdings and on my watch list. It looks like a fairly new company with not much action here, and then suddenly bursts into the scene. And then, starting in January, has been on a steady decline. Its target price is $38.50. Currently trading at 24. That looks good there. No PE or forward PE. That means this company is not profitable. It has a buy recommendation, is optional and shortable. It reported in March. Looking closely, there is a red candle here for the day. And last night was President Biden's speech announcing he's targeting charging stations. Based on that fact, and based on the fact that we're throwing so much money in, I do think it's a good idea to have and plan for charging station stocks in your portfolio. In other words, to make some money. I mean, might as well use what you got and what you know. And they're gonna throw money at this in the electric vehicle industry. That's probably why I'm keeping my NEO stock, which is currently losing. It's a long-term trend. Biden wants to build a national EV charging system under his infrastructure plan. He wants to have 500,000 of these devices installed across the United States by 2030. But currently, they need more people with electric vehicles. I guess that'll come. Quite frankly, this is the first time that I really looked at charging stocks. But this doesn't look good. ChargePoint fiscal fourth quarter loss widens. The last quarter was $43 million less than the year before, less than the quarter before. Well, this doesn't look like a high flyer, but maybe it's a stock in the future. Lots of good swings. If you want to catch small swings, this would be a hard stock to trade. I guess the zigzag is going up at the moment. Here's your MACD going up, but the stochastics RSI is going down, and so is the RSI. Well, anyway, it's just my introduction to power, thinking that I need to know more about it in order to take and capitalize on the opportunity that the stimulus package may present itself. Over the next week, I will do more research for this company and search out some pictures, because for me, pictures tell me a lot of, I don't know what's worth 1,000 words, they say. Okay, I need to understand this concept much better than I do now. Starting my research on ChargePoint Holdings in Blink, BLINCK. Let's quickly take a look at Blink and see if it's doing any better than ChargePoint. Well, there's some positive news. GM is involved. Nice swings there. MACD is behaving. Stochastic RSI is not, and the RSI is down. There's a lot on the downside there. And the negatives here for earnings. Yeah, nothing. At the moment, these companies are losing money. Well, I hope you're looking into electric charging stations as well, especially since President Biden mentioned it strongly on his State of the Union last night. 500 power stations is a lot. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the flip. Lots more work needs to be done. By the way, how do you do your research? Do you do it all at one time? Do you build upon it? And that's what I do. I basically build upon it as I get more and more information. I use Keep to put a lot of links and notes in Keep as I'm researching, and then I use that same file then to make a little video. It's kind of helpful, and I go back over my notes and the links, and it just it helps me put together a video. So I always have 2 or 3 things in the works, and this is in the works. Well, I'm rambling a bit. I'm going to end this video. Please like and subscribe. Catch you on the flip.